हेलो गाइस, so मेरा नाम है अखिल और मेरे चैनल का नाम है स्मार्टफोन है आज टॉपिक आप में टाइप गाइस. टुडे आई विल शो यू हाउ टू इंस्टॉल OxygenOS OP6 1.6 port 10.3.11 for our Mi 1. So guys, let's start the video. Everything guys, I mean the procedure will be from the starting, how to enable Tearable support. So everything will be from the starting. So सबसे पहले guys आपने करना है, we have to use this recovery. Wait a minute, this Tearable recovery, GeoFix Tearable recovery link will be in the description. आपको मिल जाएगा इस recovery का. So guys, first we have to flash this recovery.zip. So but before that we have to do a complete clean flash is recommended. So okay, so first we will flash this recovery, install, confirm to flash. So wait and watch. So guys, the recovery has been successfully flashed on our Mi 1. यहाँ पे guys recovery हो चुकी है और you have to see the slot also. Currently we are on slot A because we are flashing a GSI. We are enabling Tearable partition. Tearable enable. So that's why we have to select slot A. So now we have to do a reboot too. Before that we can wipe also. So advanced wipe, Dalvik, system, vendor. Not अगर आपने guys if you didn't enable the Tearable support, so vendor will not come. If you have enabled, then vendor will come guys. So we have already enabled Tearable partition, but ignore data, Dalvik system data and internal storage too, cause we have to do a full clean flash. So swipe to wipe, and after that we have to do a factory reset also, and then format data. So I'm done. Currently we are at slot A, reboot to recovery. So now we have to enable the Tearable support, advance, resort manager, swipe to execute and enable Tearable. So yes. Done. So now reboot to recovery. So guys, now to use internal storage we have to do a format data first. You can see backup, mount data, it won't. So that's why to use internal storage we have to do a format data again. So yes, and slot also at A default. So if it's on B you have to do it on A. So now reboot to recovery again. So guys, now we have to flash our files. So mount, install image, first boot img, back, now vendor.img, so vendor image, so now system.img, system image so confirm to flash. So guys, system.img done. So now guys, again we have to flash that GeoFix recovery, Tearable recovery.zip. So install zip, confirm to flash. So recovery successfully flashed, done. So now reboot to recovery, current slot that's A. So reboot to recovery to install. All files has been flashed. For Maersk I will tell you how to install Maersk on OxygenOS GSI, kinda we can say port also or we can say GSI also. So now we can do reboot to system. For Maersk I will show you how to install. So wait a minute, first reboot to system, do install. So OxygenOS kinda we can say Oxygenous port, or kind of you can say GSI, has been successfully booted on our Mia. So guys, now I will show you how to install Mask. Boot image patch. So first guys, we have to install Mask APK 23.0. Link will be in the description. First we have to install that. Then I will so Mask. Now we have to select that same boot.img. Okay? So install, allow, next, and select that same boot.img. So here it is, boot.img. Select, let's go. So guys, our boot.img has been successfully patched. So now we have to reboot to recovery to fetch that boot.img patched one, I mean. So reboot to recovery, install image, download, you can see this one. So confirm to flash, boot, reboot to system. सो मैस्क. सो गाइस, यहाँ पे आप सब देख सकते हो भाई, मैस्क यहाँ पे आपका यू कैन सी मैस्क हैज़ बीन सक्सेसफुली इंस्टॉल्ड ऑन आवर मीवेंट्स, बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट CTS will still false. I mean, check SafeNet, you can see. Mask hide enable, but still SafeNet CTS5 will be failed. So to fix this, I will show you what to do further. So now first we have to flash a patch. Link will be in the description of this one, SafeNet fix universal patch, kind of we can say. So you can see installation done. Now we have to first install build prop. So search props, so install, and now we have to install BusyBox, BusyBox for Android NDK. So install, reboot, ignore this factory data reset, ignore this. So now we have to install this Android emulator from Play Store. Open, continue, SU, grant, props, yes, now lol. So guys, now we have to select first option, edit fingerprint 1, pick a certified fingerprint, so F, and Xiaomi 30. Where is Mi A1? Mi A1 global, yes, 31. And we have to select fourth option, Android version 9, Pi, fourth select, reboot to yes, again yes, ignore this factory data reset, ignore this.